Alright, so we got the transfer case wrapped up. We have the new shift rails in here to convert it to top shift, and the old forward shift rails removed. Everything is buttoned up on the transfer case. So what we're working on next is we're going to get this plate attached to the front of this. It'll go this way. So we'll end up putting silicone around here, put the plate on, and then we'll be able to install this and mate it up to the transmission. Alright guys, we are officially done with the R150 swap in the Toyota. We only have a couple more things to button up with this, but as far as everything underneath, it is done. What we have left is doing the top shifter area here. It is further back than the trans that was originally in this, so what we're going to have to do is we need to swap these seats. I got a set of seats, bucket seats we're going to be putting in this, so we're going to get the bench seat yarded out, start making brackets for the new bucket seats, and then for the shifter area here, we'll have to plate this with some metal, and then we can put the shifter boot in exactly how it's supposed to be, and then hopefully at some point I'd like to put some vinyl flooring in this thing, but for now the carpet will work just fine. So that's going to wrap up this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the bucket seats on this thing. We'll be doing a separate video on that, getting the old seats out and making brackets for the bucket seats. Other than that, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.